San Francisco now, where the trial for the man accused of killing Cash App CEO Bob Lee continues. Prosecutors say Nima Momeni stabbed the tech executive to death because he believed Lee had raped his sister. But the defense says Lee was on drugs and Momeni stabbed him in self-defense. NewsNation correspondent Nancy Liu's covering it for us. She's live in San Francisco. What's the latest from the court, Nancy?
Well, Connell, the trial is in its third state witness right now. It's a crime scene investigator for San Francisco police talking about the murder scene and the careful efforts to preserve evidence. And that includes a lengthy blood trail and that bloody knife, which has Nima Momeni's DNA on the handle and Bob Lee's DNA on the blade. But an upcoming witness, there is great anticipation, and of course we're talking about 38-year-old Khazar Momeni. She is, of course, Nima Momeni's sister. She is going to testify to what she knew, what happened leading up to the stabbing of Bob Lee in April of last year. The court eager to hear her version, in particular her interactions with her brother as well as Bob Lee before he was stabbed to death. Now, relatives of both Momeni and Lee are here in court. Momeni's mom here, Lee's father, brother, ex-wife on the other side of the court. Day two follows a very dramatic opening to the trial, with prosecutors and the defense presenting conflicting versions of what happened last year. The prosecution referred to Nima Momeni as an overprotective, wannabe tough guy who stabbed Bob Lee to death, believing the tech mogul had disrespected his sister while partying. The defense claims Bob Lee was paranoid, aggressive, and violent because he was on a days-long bender with a lot of cocaine use and other drug use. They contend Lee was the one to draw the knife, and Momeni reacted in self-defense. Now, the state kicked off their case in a powerful way, playing audio of Bob Lee's call to 911.
Thanks so much for watching. Just go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.